If bolt group is subjected to applied moment and torque, the number of bolts is given by A 6 mn PVSD, B 6 mn PVSD, C 6 mn PVSD, D 6 mn PVSD. The correct answer is 6 mn PVSD. In a beam-beam connection, which type of connection is used when top flanges are required to be at same level? A. Bracket connection. B. Combined splice plate end plate connection. C. Combined splice plate bracket connection. D. Moment resistant connection. The correct answer is combined splice plate end plate connection. For which of the following conditions rigid construction is required? A. Fixed beam supported by girder. B. Cantilever beam supported by girder. C. Overhanging beam. D. Overhanging beam supported by girder. The correct answer is cantilever beam supported by girder. Which of the following is true about bracket connections? A. More rigid than any other connection. B. Fabrication cost is low. C. These connections are used to accommodate less number of bolts. D. They are used to give aesthetic appearance to the structure. The correct answer is more rigid than any other connection. Which of the following connections can be used for beam-beam connection? A. Pin connection. B. Moment resistant connection. C. Simple connection. D. Complex connection. The correct answer is simple connection. What is eccentric shear? A. Shear effects caused by concentric load on a bolt group. B. Shear effects caused by eccentric load on a bolt group. C. Shear effects caused by moment on a bolt group. D. Shear effects caused by torsion load on a bolt group. The correct answer is shear effects caused by eccentric load on a bolt group. When cantilever beam is supported by girder, the end of cantilever will transfer A. Shear force. B. Torsion. C. Bending moment. D. Shear force and bending moment. The correct answer is shear force and bending moment. The effect of twisting moment and shear force on the bolt group cause, whereas bending moment and shear force cause A. Shear force on the bolt's tension and shear in the bolt. B. Tension and shear in the bolt, shear force on the bolts. C. Shear force on the bolts, shear force on the bolts. D. Tension and shear in the bolt, tension and shear in the bolt. The correct answer is shear force on the bolts, tension and shear in the bolt. In bolted moment end plate connection, bending moment, axial force and shear force are transferred by A. Tension only. B. Compression only. C. Tension and compression. D. Friction. The correct answer is tension and compression. Clip angle connection are designed to A. Transfer small end moments in addition to large end shear. B. Transfer large end shear only. C. Transfer small end moments only. D. Transfer bending moments. The correct answer is transfer small end moments in addition to large end shear. In practice, secondary beams are connected to main beams by A. Web cleats. B. Bolts. C. Seating angle. D. Web cleats and bolts. The correct answer is web cleats.